What if I told you that with just one Python command, you can make your computer talk to you? And I'm going to show you three powerful ways to use it that most beginners never learn. Welcome back to Aditya Parvan Analytics. I'm Aditya. In our last video, we covered the roadmap. Today, we are getting our hands dirty with actual code. We are covering three fundamental concepts that you will use in literally every Python program. We learn basic printed statements, multi-line printing, and comments in Python. And here is the best part. I'm coding this live so you will see every mistake I make and how I fix them. I hope you have already installed VS Code. Let's open a file. I click on code, select the file and make a new file with name what we'll write. Yeah, basic. Don't forget to use Python extension .py. Let's print our first code. Let's see what's happened when run the code. Perfect. The computer just printed exactly what I told it to. Let's code more. Here and print I am learning. Uh, Learning. Then I'll print integer value. I will tell about in integer string in data types in upcoming some videos. So stay. Let's print it. See how Python handles text, whole numbers, and decimal. See, here's common mistake. What happens if I forget quotation mark? Let's code it too. Now print here hello world without quotation mark. Let's see what's happened. Run this command. See that error. Always use quotes mark for text. Now let's level up. What if you want to print multiple things in one line? Here's how. Let's code it. Let's open VS Code and here comment it. I'll print to a statement. The statement is my name is Aditya and Aditya. Yeah, move on to the next line. Here print a study at in a item through. Where's the comma? Here. Others. Let's run this command. Notice how Python automatically adds a space between the words. But what if we want more control? Here is three bonus tips. Let's code it. Like print thank you and all. Now I want to separate it by a hyphen. So how I can do? Where is it? Let me find. Yeah, I forget to add a comma after all. Now let's run thank you all and you can see a hyphen between the words. And now move on to the second pro tips. This is the first. Move on to the second. Uh, this is about add multiple lines. String in just one code. We will use three or and this is like way. Yeah, all right. Run this. Now you can see what's happened. And at the last, after using two or three print statement, we can just print it in line, not in two or three line. How can I just see? We will use equal to and a space. So we can generate a space and now here Python. That's it. But we use if in future you can use grid line then print it. Yep. Now here's something crucial that will save your ton of headaches later. This comment. Let's move on to the single line comment. Read practically. Look. Uh, in line number 10, I have done a mistake. We can edit it or comment it. I'll comment it. For commenting, just use hashtag before the sentence. Now this line is commented and run the code. Yes, see, Python has ignored that line. And also you can see line number 7 is not in the terminal. Now you know about how to comment a line or single line. Why comment is important? See, for explaining, remember, collaborate, and debugging. They are the benefit. Now move on to the multi-line comment. Let's see it practically. Let's open VS Code. I want to comment from line 1 to line 5. For commenting this line by using just one command, we will use triple quote at the starting of code and at the end of. Now from the line 1 to 7 has been commented. Yeah, you can see here. Let's make a project whatever we have learned. First of all, we use comment for introduce and here we use print statement. Student file. To the second line here we use name and use also comma separate and space. Backslash n used for sending a code in next line without using another print statement. Yeah, let's run it. It's working. Let's recap what we learned today. Print statement, then multi items, custom information, and comment section. Here's challenge for you. Send your code in comment section and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.